Hi, welcome to my tour. Newly constructed brand new 3-month-old MORANDA home in the newly developed Magnolia Ridge Plan in Canonsburg. 2-story Birmingham Floor Plan. You will love this gorgeous move-in ready home that features 4 beds and 3.1 baths. This home sits on a huge corner lot with so much potential for beautiful landscaping with a 2-car garage. Huge foyer with office on the first floor. The large open kitchen has tons of cabinetry. You'll love how open it is to the large breakfast nook and spacious living room. Gas fireplace, beautiful decorative windows throughout the home. All the bedrooms are large with a lot of closet space. Laundry room is on the 2nd floor. Master bath is huge with plenty of space. The basement is awaiting to be finished with your special touches. Everything is brand new. No waiting for a full year for newly constructed. This one is only